Welcome to our official website BoostMe.io, where we offer a wide range of services to help you boost your online presence and increase your social proof. You see, when everyone started using social media 10 years ago, it was purely for entertainment. Today, social media is not just about that anymore. Today we can see many brands and companies using social media to expand their businesses and sales. But not only big and well-known brands are taking advantage. Even kids and young influencers are starting to make a fortune compared to what kids did their age 15 years ago. But whether it's a brand or an influencing profile, for promoting your social account, it always comes back to have one thing today, and that thing is called social proof. Let me explain this phrase in other words for you. Imagine you're shopping for a new jacket. You found two that you love based on the pictures alone. One has over 500 reviews and a rating of 4.8 stars, and the second one has 12 reviews and a 2-star rating. Which one do you buy? Probably the first one. And why? Because people are engaging and liking the product, so it must be good, right? With social proof, you also gain the trust of people who visit your social profile. They'll think that if you have such an amount of followers on your account or such an amount of likes or streams on your post, then your account must be worth following, liking or streaming it. And that thought alone will increase your account organic followers automatically once you can show some social proof. The good news is that we are here to help you with exactly that. We provide high quality likes, comments, followers and many other kinds of engagements for all social media platforms from real active accounts. We understand the importance of social media in today's digital age, and we should also mention that we never ask for your passwords or other vital information on our services. If you choose BoostMe, you choose the most reliable payment systems such as PayPal, credit card or cryptocurrency. And please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our 24/7 live customer support or open a ticket. We are here for you and are looking forward to be at your service with more than 10 years of experience. For the rest, I wish you a lot of fun shopping on our website.